for the performance, so round of applause for them. Alright, I think that's all I have here. See you guys next time. Did I forget to do my magic? Alright. So, how many of you guys believe in magic? Some of you guys believe in magic? Okay. So we're going to start off with this. This is called the Rubik's magic. As you can see, there are 3 rings, all separate, on a black rectangle. Now what I can do is, I can give this a few twists and turns. As you can see, these 3 rings are now interlocked. Yeah. Alright, so I have a few ground rules before I start here. With any of these other things, these are so hard to do that these are once in a lifetime things that you can see. So even if my performance is that good, please no encores, except for this once. I'll show you this trick one more time, okay? As you can see, you have your 3 rings again, and with a few twists and turns, should all be interlocked. Alright, so let's start with this normal 3x3 Rubik's Cube. As you can see, all sides are solved. Now, I'm not going to look at it, but I can do a scramble on it. Without looking, I don't know what I'm turning. And put it behind my back. And it should come out solved. Okay, so who wants to try turning a Rubik's Cube? You want to come up? Alright, stay right there, stay right there. Here I have a Rubik's Cube. You can go ahead and mess that up as much as you want. Once you're done, give it to one other person in the audience. You can keep on scrambling as much as you want, alright? Alright, so I just gave a solved cube to. So now, why don't we start with a scrambled cube? As you can see, all of this is scrambled, right? If I do few moves on it, still scrambled, right? If I just put it on my back, oh, that's solid.
No, he did not.
I have nothing behind my back too. Nothing there. Alright, so how many of you guys saw me come in here with the paper bags? Yeah? Some of you guys saw some paper bags? Alright. So here I have 1 paper bag. Alright. And I'm gonna take this cube and give it a small scramble here. Now, can anyone in the crowd guess how many different possible ways that you can scramble a Rubik's Cube?
1 billion.
Well, how much did you say? 1 billion? All right, how about you? 8,000. Anyone else?
5 quintillion.
5 quintillion. One more. Infinite. Okay. Believe it or not, there are 43 quintillion different ways that you can scramble a Rubik's Cube. Every single time that you turn it, you change one of those 43 quintillion different possible scrambles. So I can kind of choose by putting inside this bag what solved state that I want it to be at, or what scramble state I want it to be at. And can anyone tell me some magic words? What do you say? Abracadabra? What do you say? Chumantas? Okay. Those are all amateur words. Those never work. Only one thing works here, and that is just snapping your fingers. If you snap your fingers, should come out solved. There's another Rubik's Cube inside here? Alright. I'll prove it to you. I'll prove it to you. I'll check, okay? There's nothing in there. No? You don't believe me? Come here. Here. Alright. I need a volunteer now. Who wants to be a volunteer?
Where come from? Keep scrambling the Rubik's Cube. Keep it passing on.
I need you to take this, right? And scramble it as much as you want. You can go over there, show the audience that you are scrambling the whole cube. Alright. Show the whole audience that you're scrambling the whole cube. Alright, are you satisfied with this? Alright. Again, I'll put it inside of the bag, and it should come out solved, just like this. Again, yeah. I mean, I just did the same trick, right? It's kind of lame. But, yeah, there's another cube inside this. You're not done. I still need you. I need you. Come back. I still need you. Okay. Take that cube. That's the cube that you scrambled, alright? Now, when you think of a solved Rubik's Cube, what do you think of? All colors are the same? Okay. So, can you take that cube, cover it, just like this, so I can't see any of the sides? You can go over there too, it's okay. Alright. What if I could tell you guys that I found a different solution to the Rubik's Cube? You guys believe me? No? Yeah? Okay. I'll give this a few turns. Right? And right about there. Can I see your cube, Manya? So if I have two scrambled cubes here, what are the chances that they both are the exact same? As you can see, 1, 2, 3, four, 5, and all 6 sides are completely the same. Thank you. Alright guys, so who has the Rubik's Cube that I gave in the beginning? Who has the Rubik's Cube? Who has the Rubik's Cube? You have the Rubik's Cube? Pass it on to one other person for me. Okay. Can I see the cube?
What is he doing?
Oh. What did he do? Oh, who did that? Come on. Okay, one more volunteer. Miss Jan, come on. One volunteer. One adult, come on, an adult. One adult. Come on. Round of applause. All right. Come on this side for me, all right? I'm gonna keep this cube right here. Now, how many of you guys like dogs? Dogs, D-O-G. Raise your hand if you like dogs, come on. I'm sure a lot more of you guys like dogs, come on. Yeah, okay. Are you cat, well, I'm sorry, I can't interest any cat persons today, but I have a deck of cards that have puppies on them. Alright?
That's Sarita like
I know.
Alright, so I'm gonna take this deck of cards out. You can look inside, there's nothing in there. Right? Alright, so I'm gonna give this small break. Alright, just shuffle it up a little bit. And I'm gonna riffle through the cards. You just tell me when to stop. Okay? Ready? Stop. All right. If you had chosen that one, it would have been 6 of spades. All right. This is your card right here, King of Diamonds. All right. And if you chosen the one right after, it would have been the 8 of Diamonds. All right. Now, I'm gonna take a rip on this card. Okay? I'm gonna rip this card. Can you pick that up for me? Oops. Alright. As you can see, the card is now ripped. Okay. Corner piece in my hand. Can I see that cube for me? Thank you. This is one of the most hardest cubes to solve. Tried it so many times, still scrambled. Okay. Now, pick up that Rubik's Cube. And I want you to put your palm out like this. Put it just like that, okay? Now, I haven't touched that Rubik's Cube at all since I put it down, right? Have I touched it? No. Okay. Corner piece in my hand. I'm just gonna teleport it over there. Ready? No. Now, what if I told you that this corner piece of the card is underneath his hand? Ready? You can give me back the cards. Slowly lift that cube off your hand and tell me if you see anything underneath. Something there? Oh. Oops. Can I see the cube? Alright, oh, that was a mistake. What if I could do one better to make it up to you guys? What if the piece teleported inside of the Rubik's Cube? Alright, I'm gonna take apart an edge here, okay? Take apart that piece of Rubik's Cube. And
that is so interesting.
I can actually, so these are like speed cubes, so the best part about it is you can actually take them apart, and you can even take them apart even further. You probably able to do it right now.
You can cut your nails.
There we go. As you can see, there's something inside. And unfold this for me. Tell me what it says.
It's a missing piece.
It's a missing piece. It's the King of Diamonds. And guess what? It's the exact piece that we need right there. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Rohan,
You can keep the paper bag. It's a
Rohan,
souvenir.
your
Nice
salt
job,
cube.
Rohan.
Your salt
Rohan,
cube.
can you reveal any of your secrets?